Hi, my name's Luke Hutchinson, and this is my zip wire factory. This is our office space. This is where we design and model zip wires for customers all around the world. From here, our team handle all inbound inquiries, so no matter what you need, we're always on hand to help. We reel and press all wires in-house. This gives us full control and means we can make zip wires to your exact specification. Once we receive your order, we then book in the delivery with DHL that guarantees a next day service. Our production team then packages your order to the exact specification you've chosen online. Now you know who we are, let's run over some frequently asked questions. How do I know what zip wire length to choose? Once you've measured between your two trees, all you need to do is add between 5 to 10 meters onto the total wire length. This gives you enough to account for the sag in the line and to wrap the cable around the tree to secure back to itself. So for example, if your distance between your 2 points is 30 meters, you should probably purchase a 40 meter kit just to give yourself more than enough. We have two seat options available. One is our standard plastic button seats. Alternatively, for a more comfortable ride, you may want to choose our premium rubber seat. This type of seat is what you'd see in many playgrounds and parks, and is much better for heavier riders. No matter what seat you choose, I would always recommend bolting on handlebars to your order. Handlebars give you a more secure grip and make it a much more comfortable ride. How do I create tension? Ideally, you're going to need some form of pulling device to get the wire off the ground and create tension. For this, we offer a tension winch kit. This is an item you purchase at checkout, but once you've used it, you can return it for a full refund. All you have to do is make sure that when you use the item, you return it back in a resaleable condition. This kit includes 2-ton cable puller, an extra sling, a 1 meter length of cable, and 3 wire rope grips. This is something I would strongly recommend for any length of cable. Though it can be done manually with sheer force, it makes the job so much easier with a winch. At Limitless, it's not just all about fun, it's about safety. For that reason, for every kit that we sell, we provide you with a free test weight bag. This allows you to test the zip line with a weighted bag before you send anyone down it. So now moving on to the age-old question, what height does my zip line need to be installed at? There's various points that you need to consider when installing your zip wire. First of all is, you need to understand that it's trial and error. The first few attempts are probably not going to be right. You're either going to be too high off the ground, or you're going to be too low with not enough tension. That's okay. It's going to take you a couple of attempts to get it right, but eventually you will. However, here are some basic design principles to follow. First, you need to adjust the height of your seat so it's approximately 900 millimeters to 1 meter long. Once you know your distance, all you need to aim for is 1 meter of drop for every 20 meters of distance. Therefore, if you have a 30 meter kit, you would want 1.5 meters of slope. This is roughly around 5%. You also need to account for the line dropping once you sit on it. You can estimate that an average adult sitting on a zip line with adequate tension will result in a 1 meter drop of the cable. Therefore, if you had a completely flat terrain, you would want to aim for the starting point being around 3.5 meters and a finishing point being around 2 meters. Obviously, if you have slopes in your ground, then you're going to have to adjust this accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has cleared up any questions you may have had regarding zipline installation, and I hope I've inspired you to take your own zipline journey with us.